Wait, let's do it. Wait. What should we do on? What should we do on?
Oi, what time have you got to be in? Hello. 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 Oh, that hurts my eyes.
Hey! Come on.
Donovan. But I am on the phone, thank you very much.
So Ben, I was Bridlington.
Wink.
Wink.
Yeah,
He's like, just stay still. Stay still.
Yeah, stay still. So, do you know my phone? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
My phone's got no charge. It's got a camera. And it does video as well.
Do you like my pussy in a hole?
With the one,
Juicy.
Hey Ben, look, the old North Star over there, isn't it? Look, see? Oh no, that's a plane.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
Look, there it is! Hey! That's Ben, oh, we're fitting one time. Oh, he turned around. He went, guess what star that is? I was like, yeah, I don't know. He went North Star.
Polaris.
Polaris. So it's for correcting me. Fucking whatever it's called. What's it called?
Astronomer.
Whatever.
Oh, look at the astronomer. Very sexy. Look at those fucks.
No, but the star is not called the astronomer. Yeah. I've actually got hairs on my nipples. Hairs.
Spider nips!
Spider nips!
Spider nips!
To be honest, my puberty has made my eyes go chinky and my nipples hairy. So, my puberty is disastrous. I mean, my pubic hairs at the moment are just a state.
Need shave!
I'm just gonna trim around and just keep it clean. Keep it all good. Keep it clean and good. Sexy bitch.